Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best baby food makers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the NutriBullet Baby Turbo Food Steamer, an affordable entry-level option for parents looking for a straightforward baby food maker, priced at just $29.99. This product offers great value for its multifunctionality. Not only does it steam fresh ingredients for baby food, but it also defrosts batch-cooked meals and sterilizes baby bottles, pacifiers, and utensils. With 5 steam settings and a built-in timer, the Turbo Steamer is a user-friendly choice for busy parents. The compact design measures just 10.04 inches by 6.1 inches, making it easy to store in smaller kitchens. The plastic build is lightweight yet durable, and all components are dishwasher safe, which simplifies cleanup significantly. However, the product is a steamer only, so you'll need a separate blender for pureeing food. This makes it a better fit for parents who already own a blender or don't mind the extra step. While it lacks blending capabilities, its sterilization feature adds versatility, making it ideal for new parents needing an all-in-one tool for baby essentials. If you're on a budget and want a reliable steamer with added functionality, the NutriBullet Baby Turbo Food Steamer is worth considering. At number 4, we have the AMZ Baby Chef 4-in-1 Baby Food Maker, a mid-range option priced at $49.99. This multifunctional device covers all the essentials. It steams, blends, defrosts, and reheats homemade baby food. With its large capacity mixing bowl and customizable blending feature, you can prepare meals in bulk and adjust textures to suit your baby's taste preferences, making it great for growing babies transitioning to solid foods. The design is sleek and modern, with BPA-free Triton plastic ensuring safety and durability. Parents will appreciate the auto shut-off timer, which takes the guesswork out of cooking times. The dishwasher-safe components make cleanup effortless, although the recommendation to use pure water and dry the tank after each use adds some maintenance. The blades are high quality, allowing for smooth purees or chunkier blends depending on your needs. While this model provides excellent value for its price, it's not as feature-rich as some premium options, such as those with automated steam and blend cycles. However, for parents who want a reliable, safe, and easy-to-use baby food maker without breaking the bank, the AMZ Baby Chef is a fantastic choice. Taking the third spot is the Groundsy Baby Food Maker, priced at $50.98. This device stands out for its nutrient-preserving steaming basket, which minimizes vitamin loss during cooking. Combining steaming, blending, and sterilizing in one compact machine, this unit simplifies meal prep for busy parents. With auto and manual mixing modes, you can customize food textures for everything from silky purees to chunky blends, making it versatile for babies at different developmental stages. The design emphasizes safety and durability with BPA-free Triton material that is heat-resistant and free of harmful chemicals. The digital controls are intuitive, and the built-in sterilizer mode adds convenience for cleaning bottles and pacifiers, saving you time. However, the bowl is not dishwasher safe, requiring hand washing, which may be a minor inconvenience for some users. Overall, the Groundsy Baby Food Maker is ideal for parents who prioritize health and safety while still wanting a multifunctional device. Its thoughtful design and nutrient-preserving features make it a strong contender, especially for those who want to ensure their baby's meals are as wholesome as possible. Number 2 is the NutriBullet Baby Complete Food Making System, a versatile option designed to make fresh homemade baby food with ease. This system includes everything you need: a 200-watt motor base, blending blade, 32-ounce batch bowl, storage cups with date ring lids, and even a silicone freezer tray. It's perfect for parents who want to prepare, store, and freeze baby food for grab-and-go convenience. The build quality is excellent, with BPA-free, non-toxic materials ensuring safety for your baby. The dishwasher-safe components make cleanup a breeze, and the storage cups with date dials help track freshness. One standout feature is the included recipe book, which offers inspiration for creating nutritious meals. However, while the system is comprehensive, it doesn't include steaming functionality, so you'll need to pre-cook ingredients. This product is ideal for parents who want an all-in-one solution for blending and storing baby food. If you already have a steamer or prefer batch cooking, the NutriBullet Baby Complete Food Making System is a great choice for simplifying meal prep and organization. Finally, at number 1 is the NutriBullet Baby Steam Plus Blend, the premium option priced at $86.99. This all-in-one machine combines steaming, blending, and pureeing into one compact system, making it a top choice for parents who value efficiency and convenience. With pre-programmed steam and blend cycles, it automates the process, allowing you to focus on other tasks while it prepares your baby's meals. The design is sleek and space-efficient, featuring dishwasher-safe components for easy cleanup. The blending functions, manual blend, pulse, and auto blend, give you full control over food textures, whether you prefer silky smooth purees or chunkier blends. The BPA-free materials ensure safety, while the 2-cup capacity is perfect for small batches of fresh baby food. While it's the most expensive option on the list, the NutriBullet Baby Steam Plus Blend offers unmatched convenience and versatility. It's ideal for parents who want a hassle-free way to prepare healthy meals without juggling multiple kitchen tools. If you're willing to invest in a premium product, this one is worth every penny. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.